Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2018 Infiniti Q60 Red Sport. Love these things. They look so good. Beautiful spec on this example as well. Iridium blue over gallery white. This one's sensory pack, pro assist pack, proactive pack. Oh yeah, this one's fully loaded. 63,880 was the original sticker. .360 camera. We're in sport mode. Oh man. Did I tell you guys how much I love these things? Man, are they fun. The Q60, obviously based on the same platform, essentially, as the Q50. It's just the two-door version. But man, I don't know, these just drive so well that if this was on its own dedicated platform, I wouldn't be surprised. So, 400 horsepower from the 3-liter twin-turbo V6. I do believe 350 pound-feet of torque, give or take. 7-speed, torque converter automatic. I don't know, I almost bought one of these. I really did, but I just wanted to try the Challenger. But honestly, these things are just so cool. You never see them around. And with some simple performance mods, tune, stuff like that, simple bolt-ons, you can have a really quick car. And then once you're on the highway, comfortable, so comfortable. These are great grand touring cars. Whenever we need to run errands at the dealership, whenever I take one of these, so comfortable, just long distance cruising. Visibility's great. You got blind spot monitoring. You got everything you need. Got your Pro Pilot Assist. Which I don't think this one has the auto steer. It might. We're about to find out. Well, it sorta does, because it has the lane keep assist. And then you always have the paddles behind the wheel. Oh. You know, every time I drive one of these, I just want to keep driving them. So many people complain about this 7-speed. Yeah, it's not. Yeah, here and there. Yeah, there's some improvements that can be made. But for the price point, this could be a $100,000 car, but it's a $60,000 car. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.